Imagine you're standing in line at your favorite cafe. You order your usual caramel latte with 2 extra pumps of vanilla syrup. It smells wonderful. It tastes fantastic. But somewhere deep inside your body, your kidneys just let out a heavy sigh. What if the real reason you feel tired, bloated, and completely drained every afternoon isn't your age or stress? What if it's something your kidneys have been trying to tell you for years while you've been ignoring them? Your 2 fist-sized kidneys are your body's silent bodyguards. Every single day they filter about 200 liters of blood. That's enough to keep a full bathtub clean all the time. But when sugar floods your bloodstream, these bodyguards have to work overtime. Today, I'm going to explain exactly what happens to your kidneys when you completely cut out sugar for 30 days. I'll explain it so simply that a 5-year-old can understand, but with the scientific depth that will open your eyes. By the end of this video, you'll understand why the first 72 hours could be the toughest of your life, why your kidneys might be quietly failing right now without sending a single warning signal, and how they can start repairing themselves in just 1 month. Let's talk about biology. Your kidneys have millions of tiny filters called nephrons. Think of your kidneys as a high-quality water filter. It works perfectly with clear, clean water. But if you constantly pour sticky syrup through that filter, something terrible happens. The filter gets clogged, the material weakens, and eventually the entire system breaks down. That's exactly what decades of sugar do to your kidneys. The scary part? Your kidneys can handle a lot of damage. You probably won't notice anything until about 70% of your kidney function has already been destroyed. Only when symptoms like swelling in your ankles or extreme fatigue appear will you realize something is wrong. But by then, the damage is usually already permanent. Before we take a look at what happens to your body during the first critical 72 hours, if you find these kinds of science-based health checkups helpful, please take a moment. Click the like button and subscribe to the channel. Join our community of people who are taking control of their own health. It helps us tremendously to make this vital information available to more people for free. And now, get ready for the chaos in your brain starting on day 1 without sugar. Doctors call a phenomenon triggered by high sugar consumption glomerular hyperfiltration. Simply put, this means your kidneys have to filter at maximum speed all day long. It's like constantly revving your car's engine in the red zone. Sure, it works for a while, but the parts wear out at breakneck speed. Once those tiny nephrons die off, they don't grow back. Gone is gone. Prepare for a battle in the first 72 hours. Your brain is addicted to quick glucose spikes. It's going to throw a full-blown tantrum. Headaches, bad moods, and uncontrollable cravings are normal. Some describe it as caffeine withdrawal, only worse. But while your brain is raging, your kidneys are having a party. The sudden elimination of sugar means the pressure on the filtration system drops almost immediately. Within these first few days, the production of AGEs, advanced glycation end products, also drops. These sticky molecules literally cause your kidneys to age. They attach themselves to proteins and cause inflammation and scarring. When you cut out sugar, your blood becomes cleaner almost immediately. Your kidneys work more efficiently. It's not magic. It's pure biology finally getting a well-deserved break. Sugar doesn't just mess with your blood sugar, it also wreaks havoc on your blood pressure. High insulin levels signal your kidneys to retain sodium and water. The result? Your blood pressure rises, your ankles swell, and your kidneys struggle to handle the extra fluid. That's why people on a high-sugar diet often feel bloated and exhausted. But if you cut out sugar for 2 weeks, this process reverses. Many people see a measurable drop in their blood pressure during this time. The kidneys stop storing excess water. The swelling goes down. It's like finally turning down the volume on the radio in a loud, hectic room. Your kidneys finally find the peace they need to do their job properly. Let's talk about pain. Most people blame salt or dehydration for kidney stones. But sugar is a major, often overlooked trigger. High sugar intake increases calcium excretion in your urine. More calcium means more crystals. More crystals mean more kidney stones. A study in the Journal of Urology found that people with the highest sugar intake have a dramatically higher rate of kidney stones. But here's the good news. Within just 30 days of going sugar-free, the composition of your urine improves. Less calcium, fewer crystals, a significantly lower risk of these agonizing stones. Just 1 month of discipline can save you years of pain. Have you, or someone you know, ever dealt with kidney stones? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear your stories. In the 3rd week, something happens that can be measured in a lab. One of the earliest warning signs of kidney damage is when protein leaks into your urine. Healthy kidneys keep protein in the blood. But when the filtration barrier is damaged by years of excess sugar, the protein slips through. It's like a screen door with holes in it. Studies show that this protein leak often decreases when people drastically reduce their sugar intake. This means the filtration barrier is getting stronger. Your kidneys use the sugar-free period as a sort of construction site. When traffic on the roads slows down, the construction crew can finally patch the potholes. And it goes even deeper. Chronic sugar intake triggers oxidative stress. After 30 days, inflammatory markers like C-reactive protein, CRP, drop measurably. Less inflammation means less scar tissue. A nice side effect: less inflammation in the body often leads to clearer skin, fewer headaches, and more stable energy throughout the day. Let's get very serious for a moment. The leading cause of kidney failure worldwide is uncontrolled diabetes. If you cut out sugar for 30 days, your insulin sensitivity often improves significantly. Your body needs less insulin to process the sugar. This protects both your pancreas and your kidneys. Why is this so important? Because the alternative is dialysis. 3 sessions a week, 4 hours each, hooked up to a machine. Your whole life revolves around appointments. Your energy is at rock bottom. The 5-year survival rate after starting dialysis is only about 35%. That's worse than for many types of cancer. All of this can often be prevented by the choices you make today. For example, while waiting in line at a cafe. Can 30 days really make a difference? Absolutely, yes. While chronic damage takes years to develop, improvements begin within weeks. Blood pressure drops, protein leakage decreases, and inflammation subsides. These changes may be subtle, but they are vital. Understand this. 30 days aren't the finish line. They're the starting point. Once you feel the difference, the real question is, why would I ever go back? Moderation protects, but abstinence heals. If you could look inside your body right now and see your kidneys struggling in real time, would you still order that caramel latte? Or would today be the day you finally choose your health? Don't forget to share the video and subscribe. Your kidneys are worth protecting for a lifetime. See you in the next video.